Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change the hostname permanently on Ubuntu 22 or 24 versions. Okay, but the process is same for all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, open terminal, verify the hostname. See here, this is the hostname. After @ that is the hostname. See, this is the hostname. We can also verify the hostname. More /etc hostname. See, we got the same. Also we can verify more /etc hosts. See, this is the host name. Okay, and one more is hostname ctl. See, this is the host name. Okay, so these are the ways to verify the host name. Now we are going to change the host name. So Control A. So we can change by editing these files etc hosts or etc hostname or by using hostname ctl. With these three options I am going to change the hostname. Okay, I will show you all three options. So first edit the etc hosts file. Forgot to give editor name. See, we have to change the name after 127.0.1.1. So we have to replace this one. Here now I am changing this Ubuntu UB24 VM to UBU plus I into Ubuntu 24 VM. Save the file, but see, still it is showing the same. Even if you try the hostname, still it is same. Also we can change the sudo va etc hostname. See, just we need to remove this one dd plus I to insert mode, give the Ubuntu 24 VM or save the file hostname ctl. See, here it is changed. See, here it is changed, but transient hostname is the old one. Okay, so this, to effect these changes we have to restart. Now we can also change by running the command sudo. I will give all these three commands in the video description. Sudo hostname ctl set hostname. Then we have to provide the new hostname. Here I am giving Ubuntu 24 VM. Hit enter. Now type hostname ctl. See, that is changed. The transient hostname is gone. Okay, but if you type hostname, we will get the new name. Okay, see, for this one no need to reboot, but for the etc file editing we need to reboot. Okay, Control A. So we have seen three methods, but see here still it is showing old name. So exit. Now open terminal again. See, name has been changed. So in this video we have seen how to change the hostname permanently on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.